When we're talking about the parts of an angle, we're talking about two distinct parts. We're talking about the vertex, which is a corner or point where the two lines meet, and we're talking about the ray or arm, and you're going to hear it called both. And that's any of the straight lines that form the angle, and it usually comes from the vertex. Sometimes it comes from two intersecting lines, but we're not going to see that yet. There are three main types of angles. We've got right angles, which are exactly 90 degrees. If you look around the room you're sitting in right now, you're going to see a lot of right angles. You're going to see them where there's a door and we've got a door jamb. Or you're going to see them at the corner of your ceiling and the drywall and the wall. You're going to see them on bookshelves. And you're going to see that because those are the angles we want when we build something, because that's what's going to make whatever we're building stay up longer and look better, because it's not going to look like it's leaning over or leaning back. So when somebody is building a house, for example, they need to make sure that we have a lot of right angles in their building. Then we're going to talk about acute angles. And if you look at acute, we've got that little word right there, cute. And so the trick I say to remember these is that puppies and kittens that are little are cute. So acute angles are little angles that are less than 90 degrees, and they look like a closing mouth. So they look like they're about to eat something, but they've got a really little mouth. And we could even make that smaller if we wanted to, and that acute angle could be very, very small, as long as it was less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angles, on the other hand, look like a really open mouth. If you've ever seen a snake open its mouth to swallow something, it's that wide open jaw. It looks like it's actually leaning back. So obtuse angles are actually bigger than 90 degrees. They could be 91. As long as they are bigger than 90 degrees, they are considered an obtuse angle.